Hi guys, ayun, papunta kami ng Clark International Airport. Ayun, nasa may Tarlac na kami guys. So, mag-a-abroad muna ang person. Charot. So, yun, may hatid lang kami guys. Then, ayan, nasa may Banban Bridge. Then, pagtawid, Pampanga na. And then, dadaan kami sa may Balacat City. May shortcut papuntang Clark International Airport doon. And guys, on the way na kami to Clark International Airport. Ayan ang sign. Ang ganda ng daan nila guys. Tapos napakalawak ng parking. Konti lang ang taong mga pasahero. Stress free. At maaliwalas. So maganda ditong mag-fly from international to Clark to international, and then domestic. Pwede, napakaganda dahil konti lang ang tao. Ayun guys, malawak ang kanilang parking. Then guys, nagkaroon kami ng chance makapasok dahil pwede daw, sabi ni Kuya Guard, hanggang 2 kasama ang pasahero. And then guys, carpeted ang ibang floor. And then, high ceiling siya sa loob. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!